In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image noise and sharpen in Affinity Photo. Noise shows up as grainy speckles or random color flecks, especially in low-light photos. Cleaning it up first sets you up for crisp, controlled sharpening later without exaggerating that grain. Start with your photo open in Affinity Photo and make sure you're working on the actual pixels of the image. Look to the top workspace controls and confirm you're in the main editing persona. Also, check your layers panel to be sure you're on a raster layer rather than a special preview mode. This helps the filter affect the image as expected. Next, head to the top menu bar. Open the Filters menu, hover over Noise, and choose Denoise. A panel appears with the controls you'll use to balance smoothness and detail. Luminance reduces the grain and brightness values. Raise it slowly while viewing the image at 100% zoom. Aim for a cleaner surface without turning faces, skies, or fabric into plastic. Luminance detail restores texture after smoothing. Nudge it up to bring back edges, pores, and fine patterns if they start looking too soft. Luminance contribution lets you fine-tune how strongly those luminance adjustments influence the result. Easing it back can keep delicate textures from looking overprocessed. Colors targets chroma noise, those tiny red, green, or blue specks. Increase it until blotchy color patches even out, but stop before colors start to bleed together. Colors contribution blends the color cleanup into the overall result. Adjust it to avoid dulling subtle color transitions while still taming speckles. Throughout, keep toggling the preview on and off and compare at 100% and fit to screen views. If you plan to sharpen after this, remember that a cleaner, denoised image lets edge sharpening work on actual detail instead of amplifying noise. When you're satisfied with the balance of smoothness and preserved texture, click Apply to commit the changes. That's it, your image is now cleaner and ready for controlled sharpening, giving you a crisp, professional finish.